Welcome to Code Station.
Welcome to our video on operators in PHP. As developers, we use operators all the time to perform various tasks. So let us learn more about them. In this video, we'll explore the different types of operators in PHP and learn how to use them effectively. By the end of the video, you will have a solid understanding of operators and their importance in PHP program. So, what are operators? So, operators are symbols or words that tell PHP what to do with the data. So they help us manipulate data, compare values, and control program flow. For example, assignment operators are used to assign values to variables in PHP. They are very useful and very simple to use. So let us have a look. First one is this equal to symbol. We have been using this quite a lot, and like to assign a variable a value. So it is called as a assignment operator. So equal to assigns the value on the right to the variable on the left. So for example, $a is equal to 10. So it assigns $a the value 10. Next is the addition assignment. So it adds the value and then assigns it to the value to the variable on the left. So similarly, like $a plus equal to 10. This is how it is written, which signifies the simplified version of it will be $a is equal to $a plus 10. So it adds the 10 value to the already existing value of $a, if it makes sense. So next, dollar subtract assignment. So subtracts the value from the right. So subtract assignment, it subtracts the value from the subtracts the value on the right from the variable on the left and stores the result in the variable. So similarly, when we go and see, so this will be minus subtracts the value from the variable on the left and then stores the value again in the variable. So similarly, the multiplication multiplies the value on the left by the variable and stores it in the variable. Divides the value from the variable value and stores it again in the same variable. And modulus stores the remainder in the variable. So let us see an example. Press variable is equal to 10. So the value of 10 is assigned to the $8. Now for the A plus is equal to 10. So it will add the 10 to the already existing value. So the value is of $a is variable A is 10. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So the simple version is A plus 10. That is 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So it should give us the result 20. So let us refresh. Yeah. So 8 plus 10, the result is 20. These are all the assignment operators. Let's check their output. So 10 into 10 is 100. So here the value was 20, then minus 10 it became 10, then 10 into 10 again 100. Further it goes.
So with this we conclude with operators in PHP.
It's important to remember that operators have a specific order of precedence. So to be mindful of this when writing your code.
But as we know that operators are fundamentals of any programming language, similarly are for PHP. So more and more that you practice with operators, you will get an idea of how to include them in your own projects. Hope this video helped you in learning some insights about the operators and their working.